Alright, so we're here at the Freedom Factory. I can't see that well, it's a little burly for me too. And we're about to go up the ramp into the Freedom Factory near Bradenton Motorsports Park, which is way over there. And we're in the car that we saw in the Cars and Coffee video the other time.
Here, lift it up past the dashboard so that it can focus.
And we're gonna go see cars.
That's right. Freedom Factory Cars and Coffee. Maybe Titus will get to see Cletus, shake Cletus's hand.
No. He's too tall. I'm too short.
Thanks, buddy.
Whoa, I'm tilted.
Look at us driving around this.
Oh my god, there's a helicopter! Helicopters!
Yeah, look at that out there. So cool. Look at us doing our parade lap around the Freedom Factory.
There's that Altima up there. And we got
there's a Trans Am up there. There's this really clean SL 500 in front of us.
And then up here we got the scoreboard that my dad has never put in the time around. He will eventually. And we got some cars being obnoxious and revving their engines up.
Obnoxious cars.
Wait, is that a Blackhawk?
No. No, it's not. There's an old Huey out there though, which is really cool. I love that.
4 helicopters. We got an Audi R8 out there. This will be our first time parking in the Dodge store Rainbow Hellcat here. Also, by the way, YouTube fans, you can rent out this car on Turo.
That's true.
And you can drive it around streets and stuff. Or how many other days